Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Man, I got fuck for that though. Oh, come on, do that finisher.
Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is it? Most people think said this just happened like today. Them think that today it happened, but really and truly, this actually happened from sometime last week. You know, from either the 9 or the 10 of May. Most likely the 10th. You see? Yeah, you know the bus, like totally right off. Can't replace. They can get maybe a few body parts like a rim or so, but it's burnt out, coldly burnt out. You see me I say to you. But you don't know. As always, you know, the Dancehall, I'm going to keep it up to date and posted. You see me I say, this is a JUTC bus that caught fire, you know, at Bull Base, St. Andrew, Jamaica. You see me I say, irreplaceable, you know, totally done with, can't be repaired. You see me I said, so you know, so I say right off, you see. So let's keep on posted. So as always, you don't know if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way just say the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself, you see.